Oh, welcome back to Astro Buddha. It's a little special episode here in these strange and special times that we live in. We're gonna focus on the importance of social distancing. Yes, I mean, not too long ago it was hard enough to get people off the phone for social interactions. Now people just can't have enough of it. Yeah. So, if you are struggling, I'm going to give you an advice here for how you can deal with it. Now, one of them is right here. It's amateur astronomy. Yeah, the other one, motorcycles. Yes. Now, amateur astronomy, you just spend outside at night in the dark, sometimes rural places, and romantic as it may sound, it's very, very slim chance of any social close-up interaction going on there. I tell you that. And I mean, the motorcycles, I mean, you just kick that off the stand and then you enjoy the roads in perfect solitude. Yeah, safe as ever. Perfect. My advice to you. Anyway, for those of you who still feel like, well, this social distancing is taken a bit too far, I'm going to give you an example and send you a message with a little warning what could happen if you don't take this seriously. Yeah. Now, in this example, we're going to see the subjects are suffering a cataclysmic failure in social distancing. Yeah, it's a disaster of galactic proportion. Yeah, we still see the subjects are exchanging substances, and if any one of them is carrying a pathogen, then that's ill news for the other one. It's quite disturbing, really. We're going to have to try to learn by the example of M51A and M51B. It's the Whirlpool Galaxy and its companion. Yeah. Happening live right now, about 23 million years ago. But anyway, in Cain's Venacity, or the hunting dogs. Let's take a look. Okay, well, in this intolerable behavior that we can see here, it's breaking all recommended codes of conduct when it comes to social distancing. And yeah, we'll see all the nebulosity regions, how they're like mixing up and changing in like a intergalactic dance of sort. Yeah. And I wish I could say this was just a, well, random one-off event. You also have NGC 4490 that has been observed interacting in a most disturbing way with NGC 4485. Yes, it's the Cocoon Galaxy. Yes, we can see that in the obscene meeting where substances also have been changed. You see that it's formed star-forming regions in blooming up in these red blemish sick looking areas, yeah, in the galaxies. We'll take a look at that. Disgusting. Well, it looks anyway. So, and I wish I could say this was an isolated event of a rebellious group of galaxies that were just having it, but it's not happening all over the place. Galaxies are like gravitating towards each other in disturbing ways, setting a really poor example for the rest of the universe. And even our own Milky Way is heading for a date with Andromeda Galaxy, M31. Yeah, nothing we can do about it. No reasoning there. So, well, in next episode, we're going to take a look on exactly how I captured these disturbing, obscene events. Yeah, so, but till then, be warned, stay safe, and may the dark side be with you. Toodaloo.